Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Life Amazing. Today I'm going to be doing another unboxing and review of a wireless charger that a company sent me out. They're named Leehur, L-E-E-H-U-R, and they sent out their HZP100 wireless charger. And in addition, shout out to them, sent me a nice quick charge 3.0 charger. So if you want to fast charge your devices, this is a go-to. So let's hop right into the unboxing. I think it's pretty straightforward. HZP100 fast wireless charger, and then the specs. I don't know what color this is, but cool logo. And then Qi standard for basically any phone that supports it. It has a input 9 volts, output 5 watts, 7.5 watts / 10 watts. Okay. So this should be pretty quick at charging your device. So unboxing experience, pretty simple. Here's the pad itself. It's pretty decent size, which I like. I haven't gotten one this big before. Last one I did was from Anchor, and that wasn't that big. So I'm going to use this to charge my headphones, my wireless earbuds, because they charge via wireless. So here's the manual. If anyone's unfamiliar with a charger, this is all in like Chinese. Oh, it's in English too. So, intelligent coils, blah blah blah. Yep, I think it charges via micro USB. I think it's a Samsung Galaxy S9 in the picture right there. That's pretty cool. So, yep. If you can't operate this, then I think there's something wrong, because these are like the most simple products. So this, let me just leave that in there. I don't know. And then, okay, maybe I take this out. And then it comes with another micro USB. I swear I have like absolute gazillion of these lying around. So this one is 3 feet in length, I'm guessing. Probably 3 feet, which is decent size. You don't really need like a 6-foot cable for a wireless charger. So here's the wireless charger itself. I think it's got an LED right there to let you know if your device is charging or not. It has like a open fan there. Maybe that's for heat dispersion. Tell the specs once again. And it also has grips on the bottom, which I like. So this is not going to go anywhere. I might put this on my desk. This is cool. This is definitely cool. I'm gonna hang on to this one. Nice material. This is matte and this is a glossy, which I like. Similar to an Xbox One look with the matte and glossy finish. And let's get this bad boy open, because comes with a charger. How do you open this? That's my question. Might just have to brute force it. Ooh, this is nice. Get some plastic noise. So here we go. So this is nice, guys. This is really nice. Adaptive fast charging, quick charge 3.0. Nice little orange accent there. This is nice. I'm gonna keep this, hold on to this. So now I'm gonna test this and give you my full review.
Alone with the glow from my only friend and TV screen, drip feeding me gold and honey, the holy birds and bees. Dip into crystal water and palm trees, building a palace, only safe house that I need. The hole that I'm in, gone with the whip of the wind. It won't come again. I swear that it's real when I close my eyes. I swear that I'm healed.
Okay, guys, so I'm now going to give you my honest opinion on this wireless charger, the pros and the cons of said wireless charger, the HZP100. So once again, thank you for Leehur sending this out to me. I'm always a fan of reviewing technology and wireless chargers. So I gotta say, overall, very solid wireless charger. The number one thing I look for, or probably number two most important things I look for in wireless chargers, are charging speed and the overall size of the pad and how easy it is for you to just throw a device on here and get it to charge. Now, I own a LG G6, which does not come with fast wireless charging. It just comes with standard wireless charging. So sadly, I can't get like insane speeds on here, but I can get decent speeds. So this does come with, it is 5 watts, 7.5 watts, and 10 watts, and 2 amps input. Okay, so this thing is pretty fast when it comes to charging. I use this mainly for my wireless Bluetooth earbuds, because those also come with wireless charging. I'll go grab those real quickly. So I usually use these to work out, and they charge wirelessly right here. So it's really easy. I just pop them down like this, and hopefully you guys can see those blue LEDs lighting up showing it's charging. And as you can see, this blue light comes on letting you know that these are also fully charged, because I just charged them recently. When it's charging, this will go red, and it basically means it's charging. So overall, I gotta say this charger is worth the money. It's very cheap on Amazon. I'm gonna be linking this down below, guys, so if you want to go pick one up, I'm gonna leave the link down below. And if you guys didn't know, my affiliate links can help support the channel, so guys, go use my link down below and go check out this product or any other product on Amazon. If you buy something within 24 hours, that helps me make better videos, and I earn a commission off that. So it's a good size pad. I'd say this is roughly probably like 4.5, 5 inches in length, and then this is probably like 4 inches in width. So I have really no complaints about this. It does what it's meant to do. I like the cool design here with the gloss plastic and then the matte. I'm always a fan of matte and gloss combination, kind of like on Xbox, as I mentioned earlier. And then I also like how the feet here are very sticky, and this thing is not going to budge at all. So guys, really enjoyed this wireless charger. I'm actually going to keep this on my desk to charge my phone and stuff. The one complaint I have is I wish it was USB Type-C. I don't know, that's being nitpicky, but if this was USB Type-C, I'd give it like an A+. But for now, I'm just going to give it an A, because it does its job, does what it sets out to do. It's as advertised. It works with, it's Qi enabled, so it basically works with everything. If I could plug this in again, there we go. It's Qi enabled, so it'll work with iPhones, the 8, the 10, 10s, 10s Max, 10R, all the Samsung devices, LG, basically anything that has Qi enabled wireless charging, this will work with. So guys, go pick this up. Go check out the link down below to help out the channel. Make sure to use that link specifically. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button, guys. I'd appreciate all the support. Likes really help the video. Subscribe if you're new and you're checking this video out. Turn on notifications, because YouTube doesn't want to put out my content to anyone. And that's the best way for you guys to get notified. They send you a email and stuff and notify directly exactly when I upload. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Leave any comments down below, any thoughts on this wireless charger, any future tutorials / product reviews you guys want me to do. And with that being said, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.